Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Islam, visiting faculty member in Food and Crop Sciences. Hope you are doing good. So our today topic is Microsoft Word. So I will show you the complete uh, uh, complete disc. I will share you the complete overview of Microsoft technologies in upcoming lecture. So I start Microsoft Word by clicking on the Microsoft. I'll share you the screen of Microsoft Word. So I have installed Microsoft Word 2013. Okay. So basically Microsoft Words have different embedded library and have so much to explore. The very first thing when you start the Microsoft Word, you will see this type of interface. So basically this is called the templates that been provided you here. Like if you need a business type templates, flyers, cards, some personal CV, holidays, educations, letters, all the built-in templates are available there. You can just click on any of the template available. I will click uh, soon and will share you the templates design one by one. So if you are new to uh, Microsoft Word, uh, so you just click on the blank document and you will see the whole interface in which you have a menu and you can uh, you can uh, click and use the formatting, alignment, text, etc. But if you are expert in and intermediate in Microsoft Word, like so you can just click and use the templates and use uh, uh, your document in an effective way. Like if you are making a certificate, just click on this template and download the template. So after downloading your template, you will see the complete uh, template already making of already made the already made your certificate will show you like this. So you can just type the name of the recipient like backspace and write just the name of the recipient. Okay, so this is called the already made uh, template. You can use it. So like employee of the month certificate, similarly you have a blue gray resume already uh, made resume are there. You can just click on the template and just use that template. Now These are the predefined design that are available on the Microsoft Cloud. You just click and change the name there, your job title, and the other education or professional data, work experience you just put and print the resume. So these are the uh, already made templates you can use. So you can see that there are plenty of templates are available. If you need to make a CV, you will just click on the template and change the information according to your. Similarly, educational brochures, restaurant brochures, report title, certificates, event invitations. These are all available. Just a click, just click on the templates and use the desired template according to your interest. So if you are new, just click on the blank document and you will see the interface. Now, if you're using a previous version of Microsoft Word, you will see uh, some tools that are not just that are not just available in the previous tool, but you can see in uh, uh, the new versions of the Microsoft Word. Like if you are using Microsoft Word 2013, you can see the menu like you have seen in this. Click on the file menu and you will see that there is some protected document, inspect document versions. You have author name, your modified date, and all the information. When will you use this document? Last modified date. You need, if you need to add a tag, title, you will easily add this. So all the previous version are available here. You can visit and see. If you need to print that document, you can easily, if you can share that document, export to some other platform, you can easily use, save, open some already uh, already if you have some document, you can open it uh, in the Word format. So this is the basic information I expect from you guys, that you have uh, go through this plenty of time. And in the next menu, you can see the plenty of things visible on your screen. Like uh, I'll share you one by one. Like in the home menu, you can see, if you copy somewhere and you can paste it, yes, you can easily. Format painter is basically if you need to uh, format a particular selection, you can apply that. Look to the other content in the document, just copy that format and click on the format painter. you can copy the whole format, and if if you paste that format into your new text, you can easily format the previous document on previous formatted into your uh, newly formatted text. Simply you can increase uh, increase the font size, like written Pakistan, and you can increase the font, so you can easily increase the font size that is visible, clearly visible on your screen. Simply you can click on the decrease font, control plus angular starting angular bracket, or increase by control plus ending angular bracket. So you can increase by simply clicking. Similarly, you can bold your text, you can italize your text, you can underline your text. It's very easy. Similarly, you can underline by your own desire. Simply if you can cancel that, so you can easily cancel that text. So I will copy some text and paste it here. Then I use different tools to make it clear the difference, like if there this is the text, and keep the text only. If you can keep the text only, in the text formatted will be as your text you have written in the document. Simply keep source formatting. I use source formatting as in the previous document, so you can bold easily, like I need to bold an image, so I simply click on that image. If I need this picture to be italic, so I just click on this. If I need that selected image to be underlined, so I can easily underline that specific text. If I need to cancel this, I just click on strike through and cancel that specific word. Simply if you uh, need uh, the subscript or superscript, just use control plus equal or click on this. You will see that the text is um, uh, not in the normal size, and on the and is placed in the subscript. Normally it is used in the base of to like this, or sometime in the exponent like you will write something above the text like scare of these, so you can use easily. Simply you can change the case, like if you need that image to be in the uppercase, so you can just click on any one sentence case, lowercase. If you need uppercase, you just click on this, capitalize each word, turtle case. According to your interest, you can choose and manipulate the text and edit the text or write at your own desire. Furthermore, mm, hope you will see that you see that it's very easy. Okay? If you need some design of text, you can simply click on this and add on your interest, outline, shadow, reflection. It's only up to you. You can use uh, there. You can use the reflection and shadow at your own interest. Furthermore, you can change the background of that text. You can see it's very easy. If you can select the whole sentence and change the background color, you can easily. If you just change the if you just change the color of that text, use this theme color and select clear all formatting. You just click and clear all the formatting you have been used previously. Okay. Uh, Now this is the important section in the paragraph. When you use Microsoft Word, you can align left. Uh, if like I will show you example. If you just click on the left align will show you like this. If you center the content of your page, Control plus E uh, can be used. Also, you can click on this. The text will be the center of the screen. Similarly, if you align right, then you can see that the right line of the text. Mostly in text document, you can use Control plus J to justify your text. Furthermore, you can add a number of bullets, like you have used a text sign, Microsoft sign, and there are the number of sign you can define by yourself by clicking on this, so you can easily select the bullets when you have some points to be mentioned in the document. Simply uh, uh, you can add the numbering library from months. You can easily add this. If you need something that is in the hierarchy of uh, the document, like something in the hierarchy, like first of all parent, then child, and then further, like chapter. In this chapter you will learn these 3 points, one by one point you have mentioned, and then the explanation of these. So you can easily mention the list level, multi-level list. You can easily create from there. You will be expert soon, inshallah. uh, but you need to try uh, and make documents. uh, Now I will show you the theme color. If you need to select any background color or highlight your specific paragraph, you can easily select the that specific. Okay. Furthermore, uh, I will show you. This is important. If there is some extra space, so you can remove that space by uh, going there and remove that remove that space. You can easily, if you increase the number of spaces between the lines, so you can easily increase or decrease the line here. You can see that it's very easy. Eh, just click on the uh, tool and you will see the results. So if you remove the space, you can click. If you add space in the paragraph line spacing, you can easily adjust there. Now if you decrease the indent, so move your paragraph closer to the margin, actual margin, so you can just click on that. If you increase that one, you just click on the right. So if you select the borders, you can easily select the left border, right borders, no borders, all borders. Okay. It's up to you uh, how your documents look like, and how creative you are to make your document effective. So it's all about your interest. Now, if you need to sort that things, so you can easily sort that one. So hope you like the tea. Uh, the tea is fantastic. So basically, tea is mandatory when you are working for you are working like on a whole day. So you need to refresh, and for refreshing, I recommend you to make a strong tea and use when you are not working. So uh, I'm discussing Microsoft Word, and I will explain uh, further tools like if you show or hide paragraph marks and other hidden formatting symbol that have not been shown on the screen, and some spaces are there and you need to remove that spaces and the spaces are not clearly visible, page break, so you can use control plus direct to show or hide the marks and other hidden format. This is especially used for advanced layout tasks. Okay. Uh, and I explained well about the borders. Now, if you use the normal formatting and you need no spacing, and if you need headings, so you can use this type of you can use this styles. I will show you by using the spotlight, like you can use the heading styles from there, like uh, I mentioned here picture. Now if you need to now if you need heading 1, so you can put, you need a heading 2, you can put, you can use heading 2. The heading 2 format will be select. If this is the title or subtitle, you can use there. There are plenty of it. You can create a style by your own, clear formatting, different. There are plenty of formatting and headings there. You can select from there. If you need to find something from the large document, you can click on Control plus F find or advanced find. You can easily find the word that you need to replace or other thing. So basically this is all in the home menu. If you need to insert a cover page, you can simply click on the cover page and you can visit and see there are huge number of cover pages are available there. Uh, you can select at your own interest. Okay, like I added this one, so you can see the cover page of that document. If you write a research paper or some document, so you have put as abstract there, your course title, document title, etc., and put a image there. So you can easily add a cover page from there. Your document look impressive, effective. If you need a blank page, you can just add a blank page after your currently used page. You can add a blank page. You can break page at some point. You need to uh, break the page. You can easily break the page. Uh, Page breaks mean the end the current page here and move to the next page. Basically, you don't need to write uh, more text on this page. Just click on the break page and you will go to the next page. This looks cool. Furthermore, if you need something, some text in a table, so don't worry about that. You can just uh, uh, click on the table, insert table, and there is a rows and column. Uh, uh, if your arrow is on moving on the right side, this means that you are selecting the columns, and if you are uh, moving down, you can see the selection of your rows. If you need insert a bigger table, you can just click and write the number of columns and the number of rows. The auto fit to the content and okay. So basically must be between 1 to 63. So yes, I'll try only 50. So you can see that the 50 uh, columns and the number of rows are there. So do try, it's very easy. If you need an Excel spreadsheet or quick table like this, as I discussed that templates, so you can easily add a quick table and rewrite the text after selecting this. You can use the Excel spreadsheet. If you need to add some picture, you can easily add a picture from here. Add a picture from like this. Yes. So please do subscribe my YouTube channel. Uh, uh, so you can easily insert a picture in your document. You can use an online picture by putting a URL of that image. So the image will be added. So furthermore, I will share you. Uh, there are plenty of shapes you can see in your Microsoft Word. So you can just select any of the shape and it will be on your document. Like if you need to simply add a arrow sign, so you will easily add that arrow. So mostly it is used for making uh, the shapes, like you are making entity relationship diagram, some diagram that shows something more. Uh, so you can make that diagram easily by using the document. Okay, so it's all about your interest. What you need to do is just go to and visit once. You use the smart art already developed the graphics, smart art graphics. You can just click and use these type list hierarchies, like I mentioned that if you need a hierarchy parent and child, like chapter 1 detail, so you can easily use the predefined art. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, and yes, it's mandatory, press the bell icon for the notification. uh, so uh, I'm talking the inserts tool. You can add, yes, this is very important, you can add the charts, and uh, you will differentiate uh, you will differentiate some uh, items, like if you are in a superstore market and you will see the sales of the items, so you can use the pie chart, column chart, and differentiate that which things are uh, selling are selling more, and which are using, and which products are uh, in out of the stock. So you can use that charts, use that. So basically normally these charts are used because the text is very long and you are reading line by line, and in a simple manner you can just make a You can make a chart and select a category, like the products category you have, uh, or you have some grocery shop or some brand. So children dresses, uh, the category to menswear, and others. So you can uh, easily see that the chart is updated, what I have written in the children. So easily you can, in a series one, you can uh, write down your numbers or sales. So it's very good. You can use the charts in your document. You can add a screenshot. Just click on the screenshot and you can use that screenshot. The screenshot has been taken. Okay. So if you need a specific, uh, uh, clip, so you can just select the specific text. So I'm talking about the insert tools. So if you need more, just click on this. There is very huge number of help there. And there are the hyperlinks, bookmark, cross references. If you are uh, if you refer a specific place in your documents, such as heading, figure tables, cross reference, you can just click on this. You can easily write a comment uh, of specific text, like I type text there. Okay. Furthermore, you can add a header or footer. It's very easy. You can add a footer. You can simply use a footer by click on the footer and use the page numbers. That is important. Page numbers, page top of the page, page margin. You can select easily. Current position you can easily select there. Okay. So these are the pages. Okay. If you need a text box, specific text box, you can place it anywhere. Okay. You can add the text box. Good part, word art is available if you need to write something beautiful, like uh, I type Pakistan, and you need to look better. So like you need this text. Okay, this looks very uh, kind of dirty. This looks, so I will clean some the things. So you can, so you see that the difference of word art and simple text. Okay. So if you need to add equation. So simply you can select here, insert a new equation, save selection. There are plenty of things you need to visit. If you need a specific symbol, you can go and select the symbols. So basically, not my Microsoft is on. Okay, so now I'll show you my screen, Microsoft Word screen. So what I have done so far is I check the file menu and detail, home, insert menu. Now I'm interested in the design menu. What is in the design menu? So in design menu there are the plenty of themes, like you need to select any of them. Like I need a theme, this. So you can see that in the design there are plenty of themes, plenty of templates. You can see, you can select the colors and font at your own interest. The important thing in the design is you can set a watermark that your data document is confidential and do not copy. So you can select in the design and move waterfall, remove waterfall. You can easily select the, I will remove this and select any of them template and add a watermark simple. So you can see that this document is confidential. So you can easily add a watermark. There are plenty of watermarks you can use. Okay. So if you need a custom watermark, so do not, no need to worry. Just if you need a picture watermark, just add a picture, select a picture and scale it. And if you need a text watermark, like I need a, a text that is uh, like Islam. So simply you can click OK and there is a light sign of Muhammad Islam. Okay. So there are the plenty of things you can use. If you need a page color, yes, you can easily select the color. If you need a page border, yes, very simple. You can select the border. In the border you can see if you need a box, so okay. that is okay. It is the box. The page layer is important. If you need a margin in uh, the final semester, you uh, will submit a complete document of what you have done so far and or your final year projects. So this is very important. You have to marginalize your whole document, like from top there is a gap between zero point 0.5 and from bottom zero point 0.5 left. You can customize your margin. Basically, it decide the gap of your, like I decide this one. So you can see the difference that if you mirror that document and moderate that one. So you can first select the document and you will easily see that our original document is this. If you select the margin, you can see that from left, right, and up and down, there is a difference. If you need a portrait or landscape, there is a landscape. If you need a portrait, if you need a size of paper to be print out like letter A4 more page, you can say. If you need column, one column, two columns. If you need a two column like this, so yes, it's look very good and different. So you can select the size. Yes, it's good. Yes, page break, column, text wrapping. There are plenty of many things, many more things you can set it by yourself if you have some interest. If you indent from left, right spacing, like I need two spaces before three spaces. So this looks very bad. So I don't need this. Okay. So you need to, if you need a spaces 0.1, so you will write in points 0.2 from left, right, and according to your interest simply. Furthermore, you have seen the positions and other things. Uh, Other more things are you need to, yes, this is very, very important. If you uh, write something, uh, if you're making something, if you make a document, so it's important that you need a table of content that describe that okay, what is in your document. So it's an automatic generated table. You can use manual table. You can use your content. Just click on this, so you can view easily. It's visible. Okay, there is a content in which you see that the experience, their job title, company. So these headings are in here content. If you click on this, if you might update somewhere, so you need to update, so you must update that table, so the rest of the things will be placed there. Like you just click on that skill, just click on that content and you will visit that one. So the table of content is very important. You need to visit and search on this. You need to add text, yes, add a footnote. You can use mailing, you can envelopes or label, start mailing merge. Okay, mostly in the commission, FPSC and UPSC uh, recruitment test, there are a number of MCQs belong to this menu. Start email merge, in which the latter email envelope label dictionary normal formats. Most of the MCQs from there. Start mail merge. If you need to email that document, So simply you can email to the respective, simply and you envelop, or if you need something extra you can, you need a participant recipient, yes, you can type a new list. That's easy. If you need to review, basically thesaurus is basically a dictionary, a complete dictionary. If you need spelling check, grammar, word count, yes, simply give you the statistics, pages one, word 117, character this. Okay, so yes, it's very good and interesting and very simple to use. You can define, you can view your document as a read mode, so you can easily uh, you know, read view. Simply you can find anything you can find. So layout, you can select the layout by yourself. It's very easy. So if you need to edit document, again go to your things and easily you can manipulate them. You need multiple page, one page. It's very easy. You can use. I hope you guys uh, are willing to explore all the menus that have been shown you. If you need to zoom in and zoom out, so you can easily zoom in and zoom out. The reading mode are also, and the print layout, web layout page are also available there. So basically this is the overview of Microsoft Word. Hope you guys uh, are have some interest, have build some interest of using this. So in the last, I'll show you what you have done, what you need to do. First, you need to click on what? Click on the bell icon. Click on the bell icon that is visible on the YouTube. And if you haven't subscribed yet, so there are plenty of courses there: theory of automata, database, information technology, and the basic tools and techniques uh, available there. You can use, you can easily have information. So visit and must subscribe this channel for more interesting video. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.